How are you? I hope you all are fine. I am a subject teacher of social study, and in our last video we have discussed about chapter number 10, and chapter name is Natural Resources of India. And in this video we are going to discuss about the worksheet of chapter number 10. So student, come on, the exercise first. Exercise first is fill in the blanks. It means in this exercise you have to fill all the blank space. Look at the first. Most of the water we use come from, so student, the water that we use, where this water come from? The water come from rain and snow. So you have to fill rain at this blank space and snow at this blank space. And here rain and snow is already filled. Now come on the next. This soil is good for cultivation of cotton and sugarcane. So student, which soil is good and suitable for cultivation of cotton and sugarcane? Black soil is good for the cultivation of cotton and sugarcane. So in second number you have to fill black, and here black is already filled. Now come on the third number. The metal dash is produced from the mineral ore bauxite. So student, which metal produced from the mineral ore bauxite? Aluminium. So in third number you have to fill aluminium, and here aluminium is already filled. Now look at the fourth number. The largest coal reserve in India are in the state of, the student, which state has the largest coal reserve in India? So student, Jharkhand has the largest coal reserve in India. So in fourth number, you have to fill Jharkhand, and here Jharkhand is already filled. Now look at the fifth number. Tree in dash forest shed their leaves during the dry season. So student, in which forest, the tree of which forest shed their leaves during the dry season? Deciduous trees shed their leaves during the dry season and give the forest a bare look. So in fifth number you have to fill deciduous, and here deciduous is already filled. Now look at the second exercise. Mark the following sentences as true or false. So student, in this exercise you have to give answer according to the given statement, and if your statement is right then your answer will be true, and if the statement is wrong then your answer will be false. Now look at the first number. The rivers of North India are seasonal. Is the rivers of North India are seasonal? Is this right or wrong? This is a wrong, because the rivers of North India are not seasonal. The rivers of North India are perennial. So this statement is wrong, and the answer will be false. So you have to write false at this given box, and here false is already written. Now look at the second number. The Nagarjun Sagar Dam is built on the Krishna River. The student, is the Nagarjun Sagar Dam is built on the Krishna River. Is this statement is right or wrong? This statement is right. So your answer will be true. And here is true is already written. Now look at the third. Alluvial soil is formed by the breakdown of rock rich in iron. So student, alluvial soil is formed by the breakdown of rocks rich in iron? No, it is formed by the deposition of silt brought down by the river. So this statement is wrong. So your answer will be false. And you have to write false at this given box, and here false is already written. Now look at the fourth number. Iron is the hardest substance found in nature. Is this statement is right or wrong? This statement is wrong because iron is not only the hardest substance found in nature. So your answer will be false, and here false is already written. Now look at the fifth number. The Sundarbans is a deciduous forest. Is this statement is right or wrong? Is the Sundarban is a deciduous forest? No, Sundarbans is a tidal forest. So this statement is wrong. So your answer will be false. And you have to write false at this given box. And here false is already written. Now come on the next exercise. Next number, that is 6th number. Wildlife refers to all kinds of animals and birds. Is this statement is right or wrong? This statement is right because wildlife refers to all kinds of animal and bird. So your answer will be true, and here true is already written. Now come on the next exercise, that is exercise 3rd. Complete the following pairs. So student, in this exercise you have to complete the pairs. So look at the first number. Nagarjun Sagar Dam dash Bhakra Nangal Dam, Satluj River. So student, on which river Nagarjun Sagar Dam built? Nagarjun Sagar Dam is built on Krishna River. So you have to write Krishna River at this blank space. And here Krishna River is already written. Now look at the second number. Laterite soil, coffee, dash rice. So student, coffee is found in laterite soil, then rice is found in which soil? Rice is found in alluvial soil. So you have to write alluvial soil at this given space, and here alluvial soil is already written. Now look at the third number. Mountain soil rich in humus, dash rich in silt. So student, mountain soil is rich in humus, then which soil is rich in silt? Alluvial soil is rich in silt, so you have to write alluvial soil at this given space, and here alluvial soil is already written. Now come on the next number, that is 4th number. Teak deciduous tree, fir dash. So student, teak is a deciduous tree, then fir is found in which forest? Fir is found in mountain forest. So you have to write mountain forest at this given space, and here mountain forest is already written. Now look at the next exercise, that is exercise 4. Choose the correct answer. Choose the correct answer. So student, in this exercise you have to choose the correct option from the given options. First is rocks that contain minerals are called. So student, rocks that contain minerals are called. Your option A is metals, your option B is ores, your option C is fuels, and your option D is non-metal. Which option is correct? Your option B is correct, so you have to tick option B, and here option B is already ticked. Now look at the second number. The Jharia coal mine lies in which states? Your option A is Madhya Pradesh, your option B is Odisha, your option C is Chhattisgarh, and your option D is Jharkhand. So student, which option is correct? Jharkhand, because the Jharia coal mine is found in Jharkhand state. So In second number, your option D is correct. So you have to tick the option D, and here option D is already ticked. Now look at the third number. Ebony is an examples of which forest and which trees. So look at the options. Your option A is evergreen trees, and your options B is deciduous trees, and your option C is coniferous trees, and your option D is mangrove trees. Which option is correct? Ebony is an examples of evergreen trees. So you have to tick option A in third number, and here option A is already ticked. Now look at the last question. The following is a coniferous tree. So student, which is a coniferous trees? Coniferous trees means the leaves of the tree look like a needle, and coniferous trees have needle-like leaves. So student, which tree have needle-like leaves? Your option A is rosewood, and your option B is deodar, your option C is sal, and your option D is teak. Which option is correct? Your option B is correct. So you have to take option B in fourth number, and here option B is already ticked. That's all. And you have to done this exercise in your CW copy. This is your today's homework. That's all, and thank you.